Today we're testing a powerful, handheld jet blower. We're stoking the fire, cleaning the house, the barn, and even using it to boost my longboard. And this jet blower from Tough Cubic comes shipped to your door, ready to blow away your problems as well. It comes with the power cable and the jet fan. The jet fan has a power button on the bottom. Push it, and you'll be greeted by a nice chime to let you know it's ready. Then you can turn the knob to crank up the speed of your fan. So I gave the fan a full charge, and then took it out to do some tests. First, I went and blew out the stubborn and clogged gutters. I was easily able to walk across the roof and blow everything out of the gutters, freeing them up to have good drainage again. After I got the gutters nice and cleared out, I used the blower to clear off the porch, the driveway, and then even the deck out back, all in one charge. This is because the blower has a built-in 32,000 mAh rechargeable battery. This gives you long usage time without interruption. After I finished cleaning the house, I went out to the barn and did some tidying. Then I started a little bonfire out back and used the blower to stoke the flames. The fire spread and lit up in no time. Too cool. Overall, I'm really impressed. It has so much power for a little handheld blower. It says at full speed, it has 2 pounds of thrust, and I believe it. Look at how much it kicks back when I turn it on. Now those were all the practical ways that I've been using this blower around the house, but the real reason I got this thing was to try and push me on my longboard. First, I did a stationary test and cranked up the jet fan. And this may look a little anticlimactic, but I was able to skate all the way down the trail without ever pushing. Although I couldn't really accelerate with it, I still thought the fact it can push me at all is pretty cool. Next, I turned on the jet fan at the same spot, but I was already riding about 10 miles per hour. This time, the jet fan kept me going at that speed without slowing down. Here's where it's really cool. Since I already did the hard work of getting my mass up and going, the blower is able to keep me at whatever speed I get to. The wheels to the board have fast bearings and little resistance, so at higher speeds, the jet fan will work like a jet engine and keep you accelerated until you decide to turn it off. If you ignore the sound and your arm getting tired from holding this beast, it feels like you're riding an e-board. I'm so used to this board, and I know when I would normally have to pump again to pick back up speed. And with this, I never had to. I just kept on cruising. Now technically, this blower is pushing me, standing on the longboard, not the longboard itself. I have give to me. My arms take some of that thrust away from the board, I have to angle it right, and my arm really does get tired holding this out, countering the thrust the whole time. So I think if I mounted it to the board, and maybe got a second one, I could really start accelerating. If you'd like to see me do that for a video, leave a comment below. I think it'd be fun. Anyway, I love this new jet blower, and it really blew away my expectations. The only thing to note is that the grate on the back of the fan has some pretty big gaps. So be careful when blowing things that may come back at you to keep your device clean and your fan safe. So if you're looking for a powerful handheld jet fan, this one from Tough Cubic might just be for you. Till next time, I've got to clean the fan and myself up. I'm filthy. See ya.